morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do a color by number. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to add my name to the top. Okay, now anytime you see the number 1, we're going to color it R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Anytime you see the number 2, you're going to color it hi-ho, did you know B-L-U-E spells blue? Anytime you see the number 3, you're going to color it pink. Pink, pink, pink. Number 4 is going to be white. So our paper is already white. We don't really have to color. And then number 5 is P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Okay, so let's do one together. The number 1. I see the number 1 right here. So I'm going to color this part of the heart red. And I also see 1 over here. So R-E-D, red, R-E-D, red. I can spell red, I can spell red. Fire trucks are red, stop signs are red too, R-E-D. All right, my friends, you're going to do the rest of the color by number on your own. Remember, 1 is red, 2 is blue, 3 is pink, 4 is white, and 5 is purple. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.